Welcome to Lane Tour University. My name is Conrad Layn. Have a hard hat mentality. Anyways, let's get right into it. So the way you increase your income on Turo is really simple. There's a lot of different tactics and different ways and avenues how to do this, but I'm gonna give you one quick one. This is what you should do. As soon as you add your car in, what I highly recommend is first go on Turo, the website, or through the app, desktop or laptop, doesn't matter. Look at similar and competitor hosts like you as a Turo guest and look how much they're charging. First step. Doesn't matter if they're charging more than you, less than you, the same as you. Does not matter. I don't care. What I want you to do is look at least at minimum 10 to 20 different Turo hosts that have similar cars to you. Doesn't have to be the same exact model or same exact year, but similar. Doesn't have to be the same color. Once you figure that out, you average that out and pick the price you think is fair. Add that. And I would say reduce it by 20%. So if, for example, say you see the cars on there are for $100 and that's on average, I'll rent it for $80. Somebody say, no, but I want $100 too. You could do that. You'll probably get $100. But I want to make it as competitive as possible, especially if you have a new car on the platform or if you're a new host on the platform. Or who cares? You just want to stand out. People like low prices. That's the reality. We all know that. Then what you do essentially is you don't keep it there. Then every new trip you get after that, remember, you're underpriced anyway in comparison to your competitors. You bring it up by 10%. Now you just increase it by $8. Then you increase another 10% on your next booking, and then eventually you'll be over $100. And you keep going up by 10%, 10%, 10%, and before you know it, you'll be charging $150 when everyone's charges $100. But the difference with you is you started low, you built momentum, having a hard hat mentality, and what happens is you're getting reviews each time because you're doing a good job as a Turo host. And at that point, now the more reviews you have, you can actually start charging more, and you're on this momentum track. You got to understand the algorithm. If you start high and then end up bringing your price low later on, you destroyed your algorithm. First, understand Turo is amazing, but Turo uses an algorithm and it tracks just the same way how it tracks your income and your Turos when you go up and when you go down. How do you think they figure out trends? How do you think you figure out? So you need to figure out how to hack that. The way you hack that trend setting where certain people who are just doing well keep doing better and people who are doing worse seem like their cars are sitting there, bring it low, get bookings, build momentum, and then bring it up. Bam, I just gave you a powerful secret. Like, subscribe, share. If you found a video of content, Carlin out. Peace.